The next phase of production promises to be a good deal quicker than the last. Until World War II, shipbuilders mainly used rivets to assemble the hulls of vessels. However, the rivets were unreliable and prone to popping. Today, the team building the Triple E's 400-metre-long hull is using a radically different approach. They are welding her 24 megablocks together using an ultra-thick bond called an erection joint. There will be over 5 kilometres of these joints in the hull. The task is enormous, and one that can't be rushed, or the welds could fail.
Once you have a crack in a weld, they don't stop, they start running. And then suddenly, that piece of structure is not as strong as it's supposed to be.
To weld the megablocks together by hand would take around 20 passes. So to speed things up, the crew use an army of welding robots.
It's a very fast method of welding, and that's why the yard are using it.
These electro-gas welding robots need just one pass on each joint. They melt the steel seams of the megablocks together in milliseconds, creating a watertight join.